great. My mom will be there. We'll have a good time. She'll bring the kids. Kids can have fun. Actually, you know what? Let me call you back in 15 minutes because that's how long it takes me to unload my pockets to get into my vehicle. All right, bye-bye. Well, where are my keys? Pull up to the party in the brand new Volkswagen Tiguan that I just bought at Volkswagen of Naples. Yeah, they gave me a good deal. The best part about it is I don't even have to empty out my pockets anymore. All I gotta do is just press a little button on the doorknob, open up, and I'm in. I'll see you in 2 minutes, babe. All right, bye. Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new Tech Tuesday. My name's Justin Marchant with Volkswagen of Naples. Today we're gonna show you how you can get into your vehicle with remote keyless entry. Quite honestly, it's as easy as it sounds. All you need to do is make sure your key is on your person, press the button on the doorknob right below, and just like that, you can get into your vehicle without fumbling through your pockets. All right, and there you have it. Thank you so much for tuning in to this week's Tech Tuesday. I'm Justin Marchant. Make sure you do like, subscribe, and share this video for more videos to come. Thanks again. I gotta get out of here. It's hot.